In this video, we're going to be talking about the muscle called serratus anterior. We're going to go over the anatomy of that muscle. This is one of the main muscles that actually help flex the shoulder, flex the arm over the head. If you're having trouble flexing your shoulder, this video is going to be really important for you. Hello everyone, my name is 𝘾𝙊𝘾𝙃𝙄𝙉𝙂 and I've been a fitness trainer and gym owner for over 25 years. And if this is your first time here and you're really looking to improve your fitness and health along with me, hit that subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. Okay, let's talk about this muscle called serratus anterior. Let's go over where it attaches on the skeleton. Let's talk about the function of the muscle. Now, if you're having trouble actually flexing your shoulder, you know someone that does, I'm going to show you some specific exercises toward the end of the video that can really help you with that. Understanding a little bit of anatomy can go so far in properly training the body. Okay, so serratus anterior actually attaches to the front ribs, like these front ribs. So you see it on like boxers who are really lean, especially when they're throwing a punch. You'll see these muscles kind of pop out underneath their armpit, right on their rib cage. Then it also wraps around the rib cage and attaches to the scapula. That's your shoulder blade along that medial border. So for example, when you're flexing your arm over your head, serratus anterior is one of the primary muscles that helps actually upwardly rotate out the scapula and enables you to actually flex your shoulder. There's always this scapular humeral rhythm. For example, for every 2 degrees you flex your shoulder, your scapula should rotate out about 1 degree. So if serratus anterior is inhibited or not working right, you're going to have a really hard time flexing your arm all the way over your head. Plus, it's also a great protractor, meaning that it kind of like helps protract your shoulder. I'm going to look up a fun video I did when I was out in Florida outside showing how to do an exercise for a scapular protraction. Check it out. I think you'll like it. Okay, so a great way in how to strengthen serratus anterior, I think, is through isometrics. Like holding an isometric contraction at the end range when the muscle is fully contracted. And this is how I think you should do it. Stand up nice and tall, chest up, back flat, lock the elbow, flex the arm up as high as you can. If you're experiencing any pain, don't try to power through the pain. Just go right to it. If this is the only pain-free range you have, just stop here, put your hand on top of your other hand, and you're just gonna kind of push into it and do an isometric contraction. It doesn't have to be that hard, 10, 20, 30% effort. Hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds and relax, okay? And then do it again. I do this about 5 to 6 times. Hopefully your shoulder's gonna open up, okay? Now there's a little science behind why a technique, an isometric contraction like this will work. First of all, it's actually rewiring the position for your central nervous system, okay? For example, if you haven't had your arm flexed like that high for a long time, your brain, your central nervous system is not comfortable there. So that's one thing. It's actually rewiring the position. It's actually also strengthening serratus anterior. Isometric contractions are a great way to strengthen any muscle in the body. Okay, so try these things. I would do the same thing with that protraction exercise. You're going to protract, and you get in a push-up position. You're going to protract. You're going to hold the protracted position for 5 to 10 seconds. Release it. Hold it. Release it. If a push-up's too much, you can do it just how I'm doing it. Protract, release, protract, release. Great ways. Isometrics are great ways. I'm going to link up another video I did about isometrics. I explained the science behind isometrics, why I think it's so important to use isometrics in your resistance training program. And also, you can't go wrong with a little mobility movement. Another great thing to do. I'll link up another video there I did about mobility movement for strengthening and stabilizing the shoulder joint. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up. And remember, if you really want to get healthy and fit along with me, hit that subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful day.